everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, si Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video ang latest performance ni Kim Chiu together with Joshua Garcia sa ASAP natin to. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. G.
Ito naman, it's time to make way.
Ito naman.
Queen. That's right, back to back with a fellow heartthrob na certified kilig inducing.
Fellow.
Yes, fellow.
bro.
Fellow.
But of course,
Hi.
kilig yung mga dance move niya. Kaya, abangan natin to.
With legit status and the G-Force,
Ito na, get ready for
Go.
the Familia Heartthrob, Joshua Garcia.
And ASAP Queen of the Dance Floor.
ASAP Queen of the Dance Floor. My God. My God. Patingin. Ay, manggigigil si Paolo for today's video. Ayaw ni Paolo niyan. Jeez. Wait lang. Ayusin natin yung microphone natin. Ay. Ay. Ay, ayaw ni Paolo niyan. Sexy ang ano mo. Sexy ang performance ni Kim Chiu natin. Go. Ay, hello. Kim Chiu always delivers talaga, no? Ay, Pak. Pak. Wait lang, wait lang. Daming nangyayari. Yung si Kim Chiu lang din naman yung isang nag-perform dito. Pero bakit parang ang daming nangyayari for today's video? Sandali. Kim Chiu always delivers talaga. Wait lang, ulitin na natin yan. Kim Chiu always delivers. Sino yung nag-idol? Oh, loko. Hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya. Baka Kim Chiu yan. Just...
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars.
Bakit may green light, red light? Ay, ayaw ni Paolo niyan, Kim. Just... I love it! Go! Gusto ko yan. Ayaw ni Paolo ng ganyan, Kim, ha? Just... Ay! Ay! Eh! Eh! Okay. Ay! Pak! The Queen of Vibration, Kim Chiu. Charis. This is one thing that I really love about her kasi talaga. Kasi parang halos lahat na lang. Alam mo yung sige lang siya ng sige sa work. Tapos, okay, gawin mo to. Dapat itong gawin mo. Go! Wala makakapagpigil kay Kim Chiu. Go lang siya ng go talaga. Basta work. Eme, the Queen of Vibration. Di mo kaya. Pak! I love it. Oh. Tiklop ka mamaya kay Paolo. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. I love it. Nakapon yung naalala ko na naman yung action video ko. Tiklop ka mamaya kay Paolo for today's video. Ay! Pak! May ganito palang atake, be? Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Hindi mo kaya. Pak! May ganung drama ka talaga, Kim. Yung totoo. Ulitin natin. Nabitin ako. Pak! Dito, ang ganda nung silhouette niya dun, ha? Oh, ganda ng silhouette niya, oh. Ulitin natin, hindi ako mapakali.
Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me.
Oh, loko. Loko. Sino kayo dyan?
Fill my heart with song. Let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you.
Yes! Ganyan! Ayaw ni Paolo ng ganyan, Kim. Kim, patay ka mamaya kay Paolo. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Patay ka mamaya kay Paolo, Kim. Charis, Emily. Ano ba yan? Pak! Oh, the queen of vibration. Di mo kaya. Ganyan. Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Pam. Ay, si Joshua na to, si Joshua. Ay, hindi pa. Ayun, nag-exit na si Kim. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The Queen of Vibration. Kim Chu. Naloloka ako. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!